The question of Banyarwanda, I know there are Ugandans of Rwandan origin. Like there are Ugandans of Sudanese origin, the Ugandans of Congolese origin. There's some these Mumas, these Milton Mumas. I'm not very sure. Okay. Okay. I don't know. No, but you don't have to worry because Uganda accepts a dual nationality. So there was a time when we had a minister in Uganda's country, and his blood brother was vice president of Kenya. So these things happen. Now, there are. What I know is that Rwanda was added to Uganda in 1910. The Bufumbira was part of Rwanda, which was ceded to Uganda in 1910, and these people of Rwanda became Ugandans. Then the border between South Ankole and Mutara in Rwanda has been very fluid. There are very few Wanyankole who don't have that kind of relationship with the Banyarwanda, although we are not exactly very friendly. I have had these challenges of people who say, no, we are no longer Banyarwanda, we are now Abavadimwe. Abavadimwe in Kinyarwanda means people who come from the same womb. Now, the Banyarwanda is people who are born in Rwanda. So, but there are people who call themselves Banyarwanda or Uganda origin. And I don't see why anybody who can verify their ancestry should be denied a passport. Anybody, I fail to understand why anybody who can verify their ancestry should be denied a passport. What I know is that there are incidents because we speak the same language. There are Banyarwanda who speak Runyankore, there are Ruchiga, there are Chiga who speak Kinyarwanda, like there are Banande who speak Chikonjo. There are Acholis in South Sudan. You know, they speak the same language with my friend Henry Okero. Now, when they come, and sometimes you find General Weru shares the same grandfather with Musanyufu. Musanyufu is a Anitesut in Kenya, Weru is a Anitesut in Uganda, but the stock is the same. So if I say I'm son of so and so, and my grandfather is so and so, who happens to be General's grandfather, it becomes difficult for the Department of Citizenship to know whether I'm an Anitesu from Kenya or Anitesu from Uganda. That's what has been happening with the Banyarwanda. There are these ones with Namtamba, those who came before 1926, who have been in Namtamba for a long time, those qualified to be Ugandans. But then there are these ones at the border. Like in Katuna, there is a man who has Katuna. There is a man who has two wives. One wife is in Rwanda, but the other one is in Uganda. Now, what are the children? So these are cases you find like at Mpondwe, Rubiria. This side of Rubiria River, a man has a wife. The other side in the Congo, the man has a wife. Now, what do you do? So sometimes it becomes difficult for immigration officers to be very sure that this person who is applying, especially if they are from the border or, you know, it becomes difficult. Then on other occasions, they have issued passports only to find that the applicant already has a Rwandese passport. You find somebody has two passports, a Ugandan passport and a Rwandese passport, a Ugandan ID card and a Rwandese ID card. Like the Kenyans, very many Kenyans have our national ID cards, and some of our people also seem to reciprocate. Now you can see the honorable getting excited. So I promise to you, yes, we are promising you that all of these people who have doubtable ancestry shall be thoroughly investigated, but no deserving citizen will be denied a passport. Be a Munyarwanda, a Mukusu, a Aniteso, a Anacholi. It's not particular to Munyarwanda, no. All of those people who come from the Borders. You see, our borders, Madam Chairperson, were determined arbitrarily